Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to send collaboration request on Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to send collaboration request on Instagram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on the plus button. Now, go ahead, upload your photo or your video on Instagram. Then, after that, go ahead and click on next at the top right. Click on next again. Add your captions. You can add music or audio. Then to send your collaboration request, click on tag people. And you have access to tag and invite collaborators. Go ahead and click on invite collaborators. Then search for the name of your collaborators. You can search for the Instagram handle or search for their name. You can invite multiple collaborators at the same time. Once search for it, hang on for Instagram to suggest or to reveal the suggested name for the match name you typed. And then you can invite multiple collaborators. And then under collaborators, you see if the user accepts, your post will be shared to their followers and they will be shown as an author of the post. So go ahead and click on done at top right. Then you should see the number of people you tagged here. If you tag multiple people, you should see you have more than one collaborator available. Like that. And then go ahead, configure or customize the post. And then click on share. Once you share the post, the collaboration invite will be sent to the Instagram user. And once they approve, the post will be available in their profile. And then they are good. So that is exactly how to send the collaboration request on Instagram. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.